don't know, you ain't free.
Why would you walk in, baby? Go.
Look at you for doing it, Monty is. Butter, Heidi is everything. If you try and take her, I swear to God I will.
I don't know, you ain't free.
Why would you walk in, baby? Go. Say that again.
The shit was on the side of the building over there on the back side right now.
Yeah.
You think you can put it on till I get there?
Let me go look. This shit coming all out the back door. Long as this right here good, they can fix that shit. You get the fuck out of this one. Fuck y'all. Ooh. Next time it's free, I'm telling you, bitch turn this whole building off. Fuck.
Alright guys, so this is the update. We had just got home from Target and walking in the house, our house was flooding. And so now we are sweeping the water up out of here. We took the furniture up. Like we took our kitchen table that was like in the center in the middle right there. We took that up and put it upstairs. We just took the little part in the middle of the couch.
Okay, Mom.
So yeah, that's what we're doing. Sweeping the water out the back door. It. My baby Ethan said it. What you say, Ethan? Christmas at the hotel? We supposed to be in our Christmas pajamas right now. And we came home to this, Ethan. It was a flood. And the floods.
What flood?
The downstairs is flooded. So therefore, we can't do the Christmas Eve activities. We can dress in our PJs or names, I guess, until next year, huh, Ethan? That's the great thing about it. Like, many more years to come. Many more years to come, but... You want juice? Okay, hold on. Well, let me get them dressed, because we're about to get ready to head out here. Let me get them dressed, y'all. I thought so too, but oh, Ethan. That's more like it, Kennedy.
Good job.
You feel this more like it? Yeah. Maybe something like that.
Still waiting on if we should send troops in his band, sir. I don't know. Please. Sir,
Holiday summer budget with Reno 911 on Comedy Central. I'm going to...
What are you doing? Who is he? I mean, what are you doing calling my girlfriend funny? You're just saying it. How do you even know she's funny? Look at you comparing it to what she is. Butter, Heidi is everything. If you try and take her, I swear to God, I will. Trust me. I want nothing to do with girlfriends. I know what girlfriends do. They make you feel the happiest you ever felt. They look inside of you and poop on your heart. What are you talking about? That's how it ends, Eric. Girls get you to feel for them. Make you think they're the best thing in the world. And then they leave. Move on to the next thing. And you're left there crying. With your heart covered in poop. Not Heidi. She's different. She's really smart. And really funny. Sure, man. Officials have stated that all communication with Denmark has ended, and that a military strike on the country is imminent. You know, computer, you kids are addicted to the internet. You're sick, and you're addicted. It's changed your brother, and now it's turning you against me, Kyle. I'm not against you, Mom. Your father goes away on business, and all you do is Afghanistan. Yes, Mom. And when your father gets home from Denmark, you two are both going in for counseling. What is Dad doing in Denmark? The government sent him over there to do paralegal training, so it would have been nice if you could have shown a little support. Oh, shit.
Will somebody shut him up? Skank, get a hold of yourself.
You were right, Dildo. When you said I was a dick, when you called me an asshole, I am. And now I'm gonna die alone, just like you said.
Oh, you're not an asshole.
You said I was, though. Because I'm controlled to be funny.
Well, maybe being funny is just sort of how you deal with serious subjects.
Really? You don't think I'm a bad person? I'm sorry. Oh, you guys, I'm sorry.
Being manipulative. Why would she want to trick me? The truth is, girls hate us, Eric. They're sick of our shit. And one day, they plan to make us obsolete. Stick us underground where we just get milk for our semen. Boys' only hope is to start over on Mars. That's ridiculous. That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Heidi is the smartest, funniest person I've ever met. I'm not being tricked. And I'll prove it to everybody.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much for talking to me. I just really need to get something off my chest. I'm so sorry. I have had the biggest epiphany about the damage I've done, the people I've hurt, but the fact of the matter is, I'm not really a troll. I actually have a job. I'm a lawyer. I've got a loving wife and great kids. I've got a family that really misses me and needs me.
Fraser Olenberg, the volleyball player, had a family too. They miss her quite a lot.
And that is so tragic. And I'm so sorry she was driven to kill herself by trolling. It's wrong. But, you know, I just sort of set things in motion. See, I'm a satirist. I challenge people's point of views by being sort of edgy. And sometimes people can... What? Really funny?
Mr. President, the bombers are en route to Europe. Are you sure you want to proceed with this?
Good morning, you guys. Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas. First thing first, happy birthday, Jesus. Thank you so much for waking me up this morning to see yet another beautiful day and another beautiful year of Christmas. Y'all doing good? That's great. I'm doing lovely. As you guys know, as of the last time I picked up my camera, I still know. We're spending Christmas in a hotel. What? Christmas in a hotel? Really? That's silly. We are spending Christmas in a hotel. It's extremely cold outside. Extremely cold. Our pipe froze and burst. And so there was water everywhere in our apartment. Our apartment was flooding. When we was at Target, we didn't know. And when we got back and walked in, our ankle, like the water was up to our ankle. That's flood. And so we had to sweep the water all out. Handy dandy. Handy. Okay, let me be serious. So y'all about to get in the shower. Last and second time taking the shower this morning. So I'm the only one up this morning. And it is, let's see what time it is, y'all. 8:34. And so I'm the first one that's up. I'm super excited. And I'm about to get myself together. So come on, let's go.
I don't see good vibes on the menu. My girl doing yoga, squeezy poses like Captain Ginyu. Type of shit I'm into. I done been on boats, I've been on planes, but I'd rather be with you. Hey, it's nothing I really wanted. I just had to call and tell you good morning. I feel good. I thought for sure nobody could understand me, but you could. Nothing I really wanted, I just had to call and say good morning. It's nothing I really wanted. Hey, I'm in the cockpit of a kamikaze coming at you, you can't stop this. I'm mad I ran out of gas right before the mosh pit. I've been holding hot coals, I couldn't wait to drop this. She called me in the morning to say last night I dropped dick. I'm always lit, visualize fireworks when I'm popping shit. Melody the extra clip, but I ain't even using it. Think y'all sound like computer love, but y'all abusing it. Speaking of, y'all turn down real love for some computer shit. I can't help all of the foolishness, I'm removed, but hope you find
So today it's going to be a day. 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 So today it's going to be a day
what I was gonna do with this. Oh, don't she look pretty? Oh.
Oh no, I promise you guys, I don't have, I know, I respect it. I don't have y'all up in here.
Look at his baby in here, see something here. Oh, big girl. What is this? It's a. We'll just get
Oh, they got one of them at the house.
both of them got one.
Oh, there's bad three on it.
Hurry, guys. We make magic work. Okay, hold on. Let's get some of the stuff.
We gotta get fresh, bro.
Hold on, let's get the stuff off the bed.
Oh, you look so pretty. I look like living dolls.
Wow. Okay, so she brought the gifts in here, so you guys supposed to.
Oh.